Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Common Errors 15. Title of the lesson today is, Do You Make This Mistake with the Word Floor? Many ESL students sometimes say that he or she lives in a floor. This is always wrong. One should say that he or she lives on a floor. People are too large to live in a floor. One could live in a building, but not a floor. It is possible that some pests, such as, cockroaches, ants, termites, small rodents, etc., can live in a floor, wall, ceiling, etc., but not a person. All right, and here's an example where a student may make a mistake. I live in the third floor. No, you should say, I live on the third floor. Here's another example. Her family lives in the 9th floor. No, you should say her family lives on the 9th floor. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.